Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Foodi FD401 is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own. It's a pressure cooker, air fryer, and so much more, all rolled into one sleek package. Today, we're diving deep into the Foodi FD401, exploring its features, testing its capabilities, and helping you decide if this all-in-one wonder is the right fit for your culinary adventures. Get ready to witness how this appliance can revolutionize your cooking experience. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9 in 1, 6 quart. Introducing the Instant Pot Duo Plus. This amazing multi-cooker replaces 9 different appliances. It can pressure cook, slow cook, and so much more. With 15 one-touch smart programs, you can easily cook a variety of dishes. From soups to cakes, it makes cooking simple and convenient. The easy-to-read display keeps you informed. It shows cooking time, temperature, and pressure in real time. Storage is also a breeze with its detachable power cord. The easy release steam switch ensures safe steam release. You can release steam quickly and easily every time. The pot is made of durable stainless steel. It's perfect for searing and sautéing like a pro. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families. It's ideal for meal prep and batch cooking, providing up to 6 servings. Cleanup is a snap with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. It also includes extra sealing rings and a steam rack. What we like? This Instant Pot is a true kitchen workhorse, offering 9 different cooking functions in one appliance. It simplifies meal prep with its smart programs and one-touch options. If you're looking for a versatile cooker that can handle everything from soups to cakes, this is the one for you. What people say. The Foodi FD401 is a versatile appliance that can air fry, pressure cook, steam, slow cook, and more. It has a large capacity, which is great for cooking meals for a family or for meal prepping. The digital display is easy to read and the controls are intuitive. Number 4. Goldlion Ninja Foodi 8-quart stainless steel inner pot. This is the Goldlion stainless steel inner pot, designed specifically for your Ninja Foodi 8-quart pressure cooker. It's a perfect replacement for your original pot, ensuring you can continue to create delicious meals. Made with durable, food-grade 304 stainless steel, this pot has no chemical coatings, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. You can cook with confidence knowing it's safe. The 3-ply bottom ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and allowing your food to cook perfectly every time. This feature helps to achieve consistent results. With clear markings for liters and cups, it's easy to measure ingredients and prepare multiple dishes at once. This pot simplifies your cooking process. Cleaning up is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. Spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your meals. It's designed to fit all 8-quart models of Ninja Foodi pressure cookers, including the new OL601 and OL701 models. It's the perfect fit for your appliance. What we like? This stainless steel inner pot is designed for durability and even cooking. The 3-ply bottom ensures food is heated evenly. If you are looking for a replacement pot that's easy to clean and built to last, then this is a great choice. What people say. The Foodi FD401 is a versatile appliance that can air fry, pressure cook, steam, slow cook, and more. It has a large capacity, making it suitable for cooking meals for a family or a group of people. The digital display and user-friendly controls make it easy to operate. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker Cookbook, 175 recipes. Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? This cookbook is your key to unlocking a world of delicious possibilities. It is packed with 175 recipes designed specifically for your multi-cooker. From quick weeknight meals to impressive weekend feasts, this book has you covered. It offers a diverse range of recipes to suit every taste and skill level. You'll find something new to try every day. Simplify your meal planning with the included 3 meal plans. They provide a structured approach to help you save time and reduce stress in the kitchen. It makes cooking easier. This cookbook is specifically tailored for your Ninja Foodi. It ensures that every recipe is perfectly suited for your multi-cooker. It helps you get the best results. This cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes, it's your ultimate kitchen companion. It will inspire you to create amazing meals with ease. Get ready to enjoy delicious food. What we like. This cookbook is packed with 175 recipes and 3 meal plans specifically designed for your ninja foodie. It provides you with a variety of delicious meals. If you like to explore new recipes and make the most of your multi-cooker, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. The Foodi FD401 is a versatile kitchen appliance that can replace multiple devices. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to operate. The air frying function works exceptionally well, producing crispy results. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Replacement Crisper Plate. This replacement crisper plate is designed specifically for Ninja AF100 to AF161 air fryers. It measures 8.2 by 8.2 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, this grill tray is safe for all your cooking needs. The non-stick, ceramic coating ensures your food is easy to remove. Featuring a convenient handle, it's easy to take the crisper plate out of the frying basket. The non-stick surface makes it simple to cook a variety of foods. Use it to make French fries, onion rings, pizza, chicken, steak, and fried vegetables. It helps you create crispy and delicious meals with ease. Cleaning is a breeze, as the air fryer replacement grill pan is dishwasher safe. For best results, avoid using abrasive cloths or metal balls to protect the non-stick coating. The crisper plate features a perforated surface, which is essential for achieving that perfect crispy crust. Enjoy your favorite foods with a satisfying crunch. What we like. This air fryer crisper plate is designed for easy cooking and cleanup. The non-stick coating makes it simple to remove food. If you like crispy results with minimal effort, this accessory will be your new best friend. What people say. The Foodi FD401 is a versatile appliance that can air fry, pressure cook, steam, slow cook, and more. It has a large capacity, allowing you to cook for a family or a group of people. The digital display and controls are easy to use. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Replacement Sealing Ring, 2-pack. This sealing ring is designed specifically for Ninja Foodi 6.5 and 8 quart models. It fits snugly, ensuring optimal performance for your pressure cooker and air fryer. This ensures a perfect fit for models like OP301, OP302, OS301, OL501, FD302, OP302, FD401, OL601, OS401, OP401, and OL701. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, this ring is BPA-free and passes the pinch test, guaranteeing no harmful substances. Unlike some other brands, this ring is made with premium materials, ensuring your food is safe and healthy. The ring fits perfectly, enhancing the performance of your pressure cooker. It effectively locks in moisture, preserving the nutrients and flavors of your food, making every meal delicious. This ring is not only food safe but also heat resistant, withstanding temperatures from -40 to 500 degrees. Cleaning is easy, you can put it in the dishwasher or sterilize it in boiling water. It's also easy to store and drain. Prevent flavor transfer by using separate sealing rings for different types of cooking. Use one for savory dishes and another for sweets, keeping your flavors distinct and your meals enjoyable. What we like. These sealing rings are made from food-grade silicone and designed for a perfect fit. They help to lock in moisture and retain the flavor of your food. If you are looking for a replacement that is easy to clean and safe to use, then consider this one. What people say. The Foodi FD401 is a versatile appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It has multiple functions, including pressure cooking, air frying, and slow cooking. The design is user-friendly and easy to operate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.